Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing Google Chrome and making it the system default. This routes most web queries to Google instead of Bing. Once Chrome is default, open its settings and explicitly set Google as the default search engine so address bar queries do the right thing. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so search behavior stays consistent. This is the first decisive step and removes the browser-side default that often causes Bing to appear. So do it now. Then move to system-level redirection. Next, you'll fix the places Windows forces Bing. Change default apps for web browser and set handlers for HTTP and HTTPS to Chrome. Once done, test a search from the taskbar. If the system still opens Edge, install a small redirect helper that intercepts Edge-only calls and forwards them to Chrome. This is the only reliable way to stop forced Bing from start/search. Make sure to allow the helper in security prompts and confirm it's the default for Edge protocol redirect. To finish, reboot and run searches from the address bar, taskbar, and start menu to verify Google handles them all. If any still go to Bing, reopen default apps and reconfirm Chrome for HTTP, HTTPS, and the browser role, then reinstall or update the redirect helper and allow it as the protocol handler. If problems persist, reset the default apps to Chrome and retry. One troubleshooting tip: if Start Search still opens Edge, reinstall the redirect helper and grant it default protocol status to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.